Using a drawing template in AutoCAD is one of the most efficient ways to start a new drawing. Loaded with predefined drawing settings, templates can both speed up your workflow and help standardize organizational processes. While you can create your own custom templates, AutoCAD comes preloaded with templates. To access an existing template file from the Quick Access toolbar, select New. The Select Template dialog opens. Here, you can choose a drawing template to start your drawing. You can also access templates from the application menu. Expand the application menu and select New. Again, the Select Template dialog opens. Select a template file from the list and open it. A new drawing opens with the appropriate template applied. To easily access the templates that you have most recently used, open the Start tab. Expand the new drop-down and a list of recent templates displays. From this menu, you can also browse templates on your device or access templates online. When you select Browse Templates, the Select Template dialog opens again.